video, we will be making a paper boat. Without further ado, let's get started. First, fold one side of the paper to the other. Next, fold this side to the other side again. After that, unfold one of them and fold this to the center crease and do the same to the other side. After that, take one layer of this piece of paper and fold it up. Flip it over and fold these two corners in. Now fold this layer up.
Keep on.
Turn around again and flip in the corners. Okay. Now look carefully. You have to open up this part from the center and then just keep pulling it and then fold it down like this. Now fold one of these layers all the way to the other side, just like it's a triangle. Next, flip it over and make this side match. Now, take this part and open it again. Now, you have to take these layers and then open. After that, we have to pull this a little bit and then pull this. Adjust it so that this middle part gets a little bit puffed up, and there you have it, your paper boat. Thank you guys for watching. Please share, subscribe, and like this video. Bye!